Hey folks, how's everybody today? Well, we've got fog, just like yesterday started out, and it's cloudy, overcast. Hopefully we'll see the sun sometime this afternoon. Anyways, what we're going to do together is try to put together a sheet pan roast for you guys. We've already got the potatoes peeled, we got the carrots starting to get cut up, we got them halved, and the onions, and we've got the carrots. Now what we're going to do is put all of this in the sheet pan and have just a one dish meal. And Linda's over here. By the way, this is In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. I hadn't even mentioned who we are or where we're from, but you guys probably know when you see me, you know that this is In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda. Now, Linda, come around here.
Good morning.
Well, I've got mine on, so
Good
you might as well put
morning.
yours on.
Okay, Bert's going to do this video. He likes meat. Actually, we've got the roast in the air fryer. It's finishing up defrosting. It'll be ready to go. We're going to surround it with vegetables, put them in the oven, let them cook, and this is lunch. So go ahead and do your thing.
She's not leaving me, folks. She's just.
I'll give you more light. How about that?
She just moved over to the side. You need to stand right here so people can see you.
Listen, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan.
I'll do it.
Okay.
We're gonna just drizzle the pan with olive oil. What a lot of times I will do is actually take and just rub it all over to start with. They can see. But as long as they can see this, they don't need to see me. Now I'm going to go wash my hands right quick. Linda, talk to the folks.
Talk to the folks. Okay. Folks, I hope you'll subscribe, share, and like our video. We're having a good time doing them. So join our family. We're kind of a new channel, so we need help from everybody. So here you go. Go back.
All right.
What's next?
I'm going to cut up the potatoes, I guess, first. And we're going to just
Make big chunks.
We're going to slice them in half. And then she says cut them in big chunks, so I'm just going to go across the grain with them.
I like big chunky potatoes. They roast up so pretty. Don't make them too little. Don't make them too little.
Folks, I'm using a knife, but I have to get the directions on how to get them chopped. Okay, here we go. That's kind of like I drive the car, but I'm always directed as to where to turn, which way to go, and
Hey, everybody needs a backseat
you're
driver.
following too close, and slow down and stop.
And there's a car coming.
Watch
30
that
miles
car.
away. He's coming 30 miles.
Okay, we've got the potatoes chopped up. Now we're going to cut up the onions. And we're not going to cut the onions up too tight either.
Chunks.
She says
I'm telling you, chunks.
she keeps saying chunks, and I keep saying bunk.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut up one. That's how I want my onion. See, what do you think, ladies? Big chunks or little bitty things?
They're not little.
Take your pick. I prefer the big chunks when I'm roasting something.
Well, this is the way it is today, guys. She said, "Okay, you're going to be in charge. We're cutting it up, and you just take over, and you just do it." But as soon as I start cutting them up, what happens? Big chunks, big chunks, big chunks. And look, I'm cutting them. I'm not cutting them that small, but hey, like I said, the apprentice,
Hey, laugh of the day.
the cook and the apprentice. Here we go. All right,
All right, I got the roast. You ready for it?
sure.
Okay, we go.
Is it done?
Here's the roast. It's good. Here's the roast. It's fine.
All right. We got the roast in the center. Now I'm gonna put a little pepper on it. She doesn't really like pepper, but I'm gonna put just a little because you need a little pepper for flavor. And just a little bit of salt. And then I'm gonna pat it in.
Oh, how do you like our salt and pepper
And
shakers?
then I'm gonna,
We've got two that actually match now.
here,
What you need?
put a little salt and pepper on those. My hands
I
are
knew that.
just a little. I did one side and then I'm doing the other side and then I'll just rub it in a little bit. That's good. Just pat it down. Y'all give me just a second. I'm gonna
Wash hands.
wipe my hands again.
We do a lot of washing hands around here.
Then we're just gonna put the potatoes around. I think just put them on one side.
You cooking?
Well, I'm asking now.
Yeah, that's fine. Are y'all having sunshine? We're supposed to be sunny this afternoon and tomorrow, and then next week it's supposed to rain 4 or 5 days. So it's rather
Well,
disgusting, but anyway, it is what it is.
God sends us what He thinks we need, and we have to accept whatever we can receive. Now we got the. Linda thinks it's supposed to be sunshiny every day of the week, but God has other plans, and He gives us what we need for the growing season, and because, as they say, along with the sunshine, we have to have a little rain every now and then.
But
But
my body requires sunshine. I need sunshine.
okay, there it is. And I got carrots, potatoes, and onions, and the roast is in the center. Now, do we need to cover this?
You can cover or not. I mean, you can cover it until it's about done and then uncover it.
I would
You wanna
cover it, I
cover it?
think.
Okay.
I think we're going to cover it with the foil so that it'll help to keep the moisture in the pan. Sometimes we cover it, sometimes we don't. But when you cook a roast, and you got to let it cook for quite a while, I really think it pays to have it good, nicely covered.
And you're going to cook it on what degrees?
I'm assuming 350.
350. You're
What
going
do
to do
you
like
think?
Kevin said. Kevin is our son. Low and slow.
We could cook it on 300 and cook it longer.
Ooh,
That's too low.
I guess 350.
She wants 350. All right. So now I'm gonna just let you.
Put it in
Tell
the
you
oven.
what. You stop it.
Okay. All right. We're
We're
gonna
gonna put this in the oven and put you guys on pause, and we'll come back and show you the finished product. And just go out and enjoy this day, whether it's pretty or not. Just smile and make somebody else happy. Okay? Y'all have a good one. We'll see you soon. Hi guys. Well, we're back, and guess what? We've got a roast with potatoes, carrots, and onions all cooked and ready to eat. And I guess you guys can see this. It's really, really, oh my goodness. If only you could smell this. If we had smell-o-vision, you guys would be hungry. But anyways,
How long did it take to cook, Bert?
You know, I really am not sure. I would say at least a couple of hours.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think so too, because we had the heat so low.
Yeah. The heat, we had it down about 350. And honestly, to cook it slower like that, it's going to make it a lot more tender. So,
Can we taste it?
we've got, well,
Ooh.
I
Yeah.
don't know. You think,
Cut a little piece and let's try it.
well, we will try, guys.
It's hot. It just came out of the oven. But it's very tender.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to give you half of this. I'm going to take half.
Okay.
This is just a small piece of the roast, and it looks really good. I think it's well done, which is how she likes it. Come around over here where they can see you, dear.
Okay.
She likes to hide out of the shadows.
Hey, I'm just so short. Look at us.
Anyways, here goes the taste test.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's really tender.
It's tender. It's very flavorful. Or very full of flavor, I should say.
But not really. I'm not.
We'll give it a heads up or a thumbs up. And you guys really should try this. It's a one sheet dish. Linda does have some string beans to go on with this, and it's going to be our meal for Saturday at lunch. And hope you have a great rest of the day. And if you would, please say a prayer for our troops that are over in Iran right now. And just keep them in prayer, and also keep all of us in prayer, because it's all about Jesus, and without him, we're nothing. So just remember, God loves you, so do we, and y'all have a great rest of the day. And remember, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and like our channel. And hey guys, we're trying, and hope you guys enjoy our video and try our roast. It's good.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye for now.
Bye.